The conflict between man and wild beasts has increasingly become more common, with recent reported wanderings of a herd of about 25 pachyderms or elephants and calves into a government construction sites foraging for food in the outskirts of Tura town. This incursion by the herd of pachyderms was reported from Tuesday morning last. The wild pachyderms were causing widespread panic among the residents to two localities and nearby surroundings in the area of Doldigre and Balongre. According to reports received, the divisional forest officer has informed that his men have made a three-pronged move to drive away the straying elephants from panic-stricken human habitations. The DFO has also said that these unwanted forays by the pachyderms to human habitations is because of the rapidly declining of their food sources in the wild forests caused by slash and burn cultivation practiced by the local tribes from time immemorial.